Cloudy, yellowed, or fogged up headlights are an eyesore, and they can be a real hazard as well. So what do you do when this happens to you? Your first response might be to replace the headlights. But I might have a better solution. Headlight restoration services from Ryan Nissan.
Fogged up headlight lenses distort the light, and that makes seeing at night or inclement weather that much more difficult. That's dangerous. Allowing our restoration experts to fix the problem will get you safely back on the road in no time.
Headlights are manufactured with a watertight seal. Over time, the seal can wear away, allowing moisture to become trapped. Headlight restoration can fix the problem.
Headlight restoration services help to protect the resale value of your vehicle by maintaining its appearance and safety while keeping your cost of ownership low.
Clouded headlights straight up look bad. Don't let nasty headlights distract you from the beauty of your vehicle.
Replacing headlights are expensive, and restoration gets you the same results at a fraction of the cost.
So, when you notice your headlights fogging up, what will you do? There's no need to live dangerously. Contact Ryan Nissan and let our headlight restoration team go to work for you. There are a couple ways to set up an appointment. Online at ryannissan.com or by simply calling Ryan Nissan at 852-3950.